Changing your primary email with Sky Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your email is updated correctly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Sky Federal Credit Union website and log into your online banking account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select Email Preferences. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new primary email address in the provided field. Make sure to double check for any typos to ensure you receive important communications. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, look for a Save or Update button. Click it to confirm the changes. You may receive a confirmation message or email to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email address will be updated in the Sky Federal Credit Union system. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.